So, hey all, today we are going to see a case study in the topic of AI. So, let me tell you a short story, which is a quite interesting story. So, there was a family on their vacation and they went to a zoo. So, on that point of time, they visited all the animals right there, but one point of time they got like excited viewing like one animal. So, that is like snow leopards, which is like there are not a lot number of numbers in this world. So on that particular time in that zoo, they had like just around like 10 snow leopards I hope so. So on that point of time, like the guy who took the family to the zoo got like really excited and asked the ranger that how are you maintaining it? Because it is a quite difficult task for them to maintain it because if they do any small mistakes in it, then the leopards would die. So on that point of time, it may get closed up that era of the leopards. So they take care of the leopards in a very good manner. So they take care of the species like in a very particular ways. Even their foods will be like tested with machines. Will be tested with like it will cross many other stages because it should be like more healthy for them. Or else it will give some diseases or like any other sickness to the levels. So they were like very particular. So on that point of view, this person asked to the ranger who take care of all the leopards. So on that point of view, he said that we use cameras inside the forest. It is a kind of forest area. So we cannot roam inside and check where it is like alive or like is that is wounded. Like it is not like accessible too because it is all the predators. Definitely it will harm them. So they cannot like instantly get inside and view all this. So on that point of view, they have like, kept the cameras on it. So on each 100 meters or like 50 meters in the circle of radius, they use like wide lens of camera. So they used to monitor through systems. So they don't have a separate team to monitor it. So when a leopard which is tired and in a sleep, so if it is not getting up after like 6 hours or 7 hours, because cats sleep like more than 10 hours. So on that point of time, if the time exceeds, then they will definitely rush it. So on the evening sessions of every day, so that camera would give them all the data of the pictures and the videos which it took for the 12 hours of the day. So all the day sessions will be recorded with the photos and the video, right? And it will be delivered to the people like who are sitting in the server. So on that point of time, it is a quite difficult task to handle it off because the person who is coming on the next day have to check all the photos separately where the animal got wounded or not, or like is that is like healthy or not, is that is like what is it? Everything is okay or not. So you have to check with all the videos, you have to check with all the photos. It was like not easy task for them. Of course, like we can't say like 100 photos per day, 100 videos per day. It is like okay, how many videos you will just do? You will miss like 1 or 2. So on that point of time, the guy who met the ranger was a software engineer. So he got some ideas into it. Okay, help you out with this problem. Can I speak with your higher officials here? So he just asked about it. The ranger has like no idea like how we are going to help with this. Because the ranger had ideas only to take care of the animals. He don't have the ideas like how the gadget works. So on that point of time, he got some instance or like idea, okay, fine. We will take him to the higher officials and talk about it. So on that point of time, the software engineer went back to the higher officials and he got all the data about the camera installation. So he took the details and he went to the company. So with all the efforts and the cooperation of the teams, they came across with very good ideas. They implemented AI. Like how it is possible? After like reading this story, I came across a lot of questions. Like, how come it is possible? Like you need a lot of battery lives for it. If the rains or like any moistures like get over it, so it is affected. Of course, everything is man-made thing, so it can be get destroyed easily. So on one point of time, they had like a lot of challenges in it. So what they did was they encrypted the camera into the TVs. So though it is dangerous, when the lightning appears to the tree, definitely it will get damaged. But they have sealed into a box. So on that point of time, everything made very securely and very safely. So the product, final product, which is given to the ranges, they just they had like no ideas on it, because of course they had like a lot of questions like how does it work and how could it be possible to make that things happen in the real life. But one point of time, a single leopard got like wounded up, but the camera spotted the wounded places and it gave the feedback to the server system immediately. So they were like pretty good excited about the gadgets and they paid a lot of money to the person. So that is how AI works in everywhere. But the only thing which we have to see into is we need to use AI very comfortably and very safely, because it is quite dangerous. So I hope you would have got some thoughts about this case study. So public AI can be used in everywhere and anywhere.